Good morning, everybody. Praise be to the Lord. Welcome back to another day, to another beautiful day. And we're going to continue right now with our reading class and continue with our topic. We're going to make one activity for today, okay? And we're going to make it by teams, okay? Also, I will give you one assignment that is very easy an assignment, okay? But first of all, we are going to share our sentences that you have to make yesterday, okay? Remember, from the new vocabulary, you have to make one sentence and you have to repeat it, each word 3 times in your notebook, okay? So let's see, let's go to start, okay? Let's go to start with, let's see, Catherine. Read me one sentence using one word, the first word, or let's see which words do we have. Okay, let's see which words do we have. Just to remember. Okay, give me a sentence using the word foes.
Foes. Patriots sometimes fired on their British foes.
Okay, very good. Let's see another one. Let's see Jose Manuel. Give me one sentence with the word formal.
When I go to the city mall, I use my road formal.
Hey, good. Let's see, Ana Cecilia. With the word gushed.
As water rushed into his damaged ship, John Paul John vowed to keep fighting.
Good, very good. Let's see, Cesar. With the word legendary.
This boy is pretty to be Paul Rivers on his legendary or famous native flight.
Very good. Let's see, Emily. With the word magnificent.
Magnificent. Give me every time or give me were great, magnificent word of patriot practice burning.
Okay, excellent. Let's see, Jose Manuel. Bless you. With the word plunge. No, I can hear you. No.
Tito, tú miras.
¿En serio? ¿Qué nivel de alcance de la cámara?
Okay, let's see another one. Let's see Roland with the word plunge. Okay, for the next one, let's see, Yvette. Retreat.
I didn't know.
Okay. Andrea, with the word retreat.
Patrick took 3 minutes, but General Steuben forced Hessen to retreat or pull out from battle.
Okay, very good. Let's see, Jimena, with the word revolution. Uh-huh.
This time is a revolution.
This time it's a revolution. Okay. Let's see, Fatima, with the word shimmering.
The signal for Paul reverse to right was to shimmer flickering lantern light.
Excellent, very good. And the last one, let's see. Let's see, Felix, with the word strategy. Strategy.
The pool flickers light.
Okay. Okay, let's continue, people. Okay. 5 people eat. Everyone are up to them. Dylan is coming. Okay, let's continue. I will share, we're going to make teams, okay? We are going to make teams about what thing are we going to do, okay? Okay, we are going to work in quizzes, but we are going to make it by teams. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to make 4 teams. We're going to make 4 teams. Team number 1, it's going to be Leda, Guardiola, Roland, Valeria, y Rodrigo. Team number 2, Yvette, Jose Manuel, Yvette, Jose Valenzuela, Ana Cecilia, Emily, Fatima. Team number 3, Jose Manuel, Andrea, Abel, Juan Diego, César. And team number 4, Catherine, Dylan, Ricardo, Jimena, and Felix. Okay, we're going to, it's a little bit a game. It's a little bit a game, okay? Okay, there is 2 who are coming. Okay, Dana is going to end Dan is going to enter to the team number 1. Exactly. It's like this, the last time. Okay. Dan is going to enter to the team number 1. It's Leda, Guardiola, Roland, y Valeria and Rodrigo. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. These men didn't enter and have a lot of time. Okay, everybody can see, right? The screen. I will make some questions about the vocabulary, okay? And we're going to answer some questions about that. Karin is coming. Karin is going to enter to the group number well, let's see. I really don't know what happened. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's go to play. I don't know what really happened. Okay, let me see, people. I want to know what it's already happening here. Yes, I really need more players. So let's see. This one. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Well, actually, I really don't know where it's going on with this, people. Sorry. Who is still 26, 25 participants? I really don't have too much students. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, I have 25 participants in here. I really don't know why. I still have Karin who wants to join. Well, I really don't know what happened with this. I really don't know what happened. Okay, let's continue. People, don't be afraid. Let's continue with this. Okay, let's see. We're going to talk about the topic about the story. Okay, about which genre is narrative nonfiction. About this topic, about the story of They Call Her Molly Pitcher. We include real people and real places and events that actually happen. Past tense is used throughout the whole story. As you read, look for factual information illustrations that help convey ideas from the text, events in time order. Okay, what is the meaning of that? When when we are going to read the story, you're going to see there are real facts in there. Okay, maybe could be the story was in the maybe could be the story. It's a true story. Okay, a true story. For that reason, the genre is a non-fiction. Okay, because have real places, real names, real events, but that is already happened in the that is already happened in the past. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, the Pictionary didn't assign for this week, people. Okay, just follow what I send you for this week. The Pictionary is not assigned for this week. It will be assigned for the next week to 15 days. Okay, so relax, just relax. Okay, so so let's see and talk about this topic. And we're going to know what is a target and conclusion. Okay, we're going to see what is the target skill is conclusions and generalizations. Okay, a conclusion is making judgment based on details in the text and your prior knowledge. For example, I already know some things about the American Revolution, and the illustration for this story shows a battle, people in colonial clothing, and someone who looks like George Washington. This helps this helps me to draw the conclusion that the text is about the Revolutionary War. Okay, so we didn't start to read the story. This is a prior knowledge. What is the prior knowledge you already have? Okay, the story is called, they call her Molly Pitch, okay, or Molly Pitcher or something like that. And what is the story about? It's about, okay, it's about the American Revolution. And the illustration for this story show about people in colonial clothing. Okay, what is the time of that story? Okay, or in what time the story was ambiented? Okay, it was in the time of the colony in the United States, maybe in the periods of independence. Okay, and someone who looks like George Washington. Okay, maybe George Washington appeared in that story. We really don't know. Okay, we start to draw conclusions in there. We start to draw generalizations about what the story is, but we already don't know what is the story is. Okay, let's see, let's continue. To draw conclusions using what you already know to figure out what people will do or say. For example, if you read it, if you saw the story, the first page when there is the picture of the story, okay, let's find okay, this one. This is the picture of the story. They call her Molly Pitcher. What can you see? Is the thing that I told you. Is the thing that I told you. There is a woman who's dressed colonial clothes, Maybe she's fired at canyon. She's in the war. She's in the war. Um, maybe she's a revolutionary. So it depends, people. It depends of what do you think. Okay, it depends of what do you think. So, so a picture can say many things. A picture can say many things. So let's continue. The generalization. A generalization is a broad statement people about people, ideas, or things that is mostly true. For example, at the Valley Forge, the men had to stand on their hats so that hair feet wouldn't freeze. They didn't have enough to eat and their camp was filthy. The generalization, life at Valley Forge was very difficult to the soldiers. Okay, generalizations is a statement about a group that is true for most of that group. Okay, people. So, if you see or if you start to notice, a conclusion is what you something or what you start to say something even if you don't read the story. Okay, even if you don't read the story. I hope you copy this in your notebook because this is very important for you. Okay? Okay. Okay. As I told you, a conclusion is making judgments based on details in the text and your prior knowledge. We already saw the picture of the story. That is only our prior knowledge. Okay? That is only our prior knowledge. Not to read the story. That is not our prior knowledge. Okay? Now, for example, I will repeat it again because I don't know if you understand this part very well. Our conclusion, making judgment based on details in the text and the prior knowledge. For example, I already know something about the American Revolution. Okay, if you already know something about the American Revolution, very good. And the illustration for this story show about people in colonial clothing. That said, the period of time in this story maybe it's between the 1700s to 1800s or 18th century, and someone who looks like George Washington. Maybe it was the time of the independence in the United States. This helps me. This helps me draw the conclusion that the text is about the Revolutionary War. Now, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yes, I know. Let's see. A drawing conclusion is using what you already know to figure out what people will do or say. That is in conclusion, that is the drawing conclusion. And a generalization is a broad statement about people, ideas, or things that is mostly true. For example, at Valley Forge, the men had to stand on their hats so that her feet wouldn't freeze. They didn't have enough to eat and their campus was filthy. The generalization, life at Valley Forge was very difficult to the soldiers. Okay, That is only we have to do because I only have to explain. Tomorrow we're going to make to start this to read the story, and we're going to start to make another activities. I would like to share with you people. I would like to share with you this. Let me see. It's about because someone asked you about the Imagine Learning, and let's see. Today is Monday. Sorry, Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Just wait, people, because the page in the internet. I really don't know what happened with the internet. Okay, we're going to see how many time or how is it going with you with the well doesn't charge, doesn't download the picture, the page. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's here. Let's see. Okay, we still have 7 minutes. Don't worry, we have enough time. Okay, let's see here. Let's see, people. Okay, I will share how is it going with you with the Imagine Learning work. Okay, if you see still charging the page. It's almost fifth grade D. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I will show you not this week. I will show you last week. Okay. Jimena didn't enter. Felix didn't enter. Madeline didn't enter. Andrea and Emily didn't enter. Okay, let's see. Last week. That is the last week. Last week. Okay. Let's see last week. Oh my goodness, everyone entered last week. Okay, but Dylan only entered 20 minutes in the whole week. I don't know if you can see it. You can see it, right? Show me your thumbs up if you can see it. Okay, nice people. Let's see. This is the last week. If you see in here, last week. Okay. Fatima worked almost 3 hours. Juan Diego, 2 hours and a half. Cesar, 1 hour and a half. Jose Manuel, 2 hours and a half. Leda, 2 hours, 40 minutes. Jimena is the only one who didn't enter. Jimena. Felix is the other one who didn't enter. Madeline is another one who didn't enter. Andrea is the other one who didn't enter. And Emily is the other one who didn't enter. I have a question for you people. For you. I have a question for you. Um, for Emily, you enter for the English lab to work last week. Last week. You can write it on the chat in privately. Let's see. I don't know where is Andrea. Do you work in the English lab last week? Give me your reasons on the chat, okay? Give me your reasons on the chat. Felix, do you enter to the English lab last week? Write it on the chat. Your reasons of why not. And Nico is not here. Jimena, what is it? I don't know where is Jimena. I don't know where is Jimena. Jimena is the other one. People, I need you to enter to the English lab and work. Okay? I need to enter to the English lab and work. If you have problems to enter with the usuario and contraseña, tell me, because I can look in for it and give you, okay? But you have to enter to the English lab. Ah, okay, okay, Emily. Okay, yes, your mother told me something like that. Your mother told me something like that, so thank you. But Andrea, I still need your reasons. Felix, also, I need your reasons about why you didn't enter to the English lab. Yes, I know. Okay, people. I think these guys don't want to talk about what the reasons are. Okay. Let's see you at 9:20. You're going to have science. Today you have computer, I think, in the schedule appear. Okay. I really don't know. I don't have the schedule in my hand. Yes, you have one special class today. And I don't know if computer or because Artistica is on Friday. Okay, but don't worry. I will see you at the class of science at 9:20. Remember, at 8 o'clock you have Espanol. See you.